Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look into the problem solution essays in the IELTS academic writing section. Now let us look into the description. In IELTS writing task for a problem solution essay, text takers are presented with a situation or issue and are tasked with discussing problems associated with it and proposing effective solutions. The essay structure typically involves outlining the problem in the introduction, discussing its causes, effects in subsequent paragraphs, and offering viable solutions in a systematic manner. The emphasis lies in clearly presenting the problem, analyzing its underlying causes, and proposing feasible solutions while maintaining coherence and clarity throughout the essay. Now let us look into the general structure. Under general structure, firstly we will see what will be the introduction. Introduction will involve introduce the problem or issue at hand, then provide brief background information about the problem, present a clear thesis statement indicating the problem and the proposed solutions. So this is what you need to include under your introduction. Now let us see problem description and effects. So under this you will have paragraph 1. So describe the problem secondly, then discuss its causes or contributing factors briefly. Highlight the effects or consequences of the problem. So this will be under body paragraph 1, and then you will have solutions. In that will be in paragraph 2. Here what you can include is introduce and elaborate on the first solution. Explain how this solution addresses the problem. Provide examples or evidences supporting its effectiveness, and then optionally you can briefly mention another solution and its potential impact. Yes, after that you can sum up with a conclusion. Now what you are supposed to use in the conclusion, you need to summarize the problem and its effects, reiterate the importance of implementing solutions, include by emphasizing the significance of proposed solution in addressing the issue. Now let us look into one of the example for the structure. Now what is the prompt? That is the question. Many cities around the world are facing increasing traffic congestion problems. What are the causes of this issue and what solutions can you suggest? So let us see how you can go about this topic. Now let us look into the introduction first. Traffic congestion has become a pressing issue in numerous cities globally, causing inconvenience and inefficiency in daily commutes. This essay will explore the underlying causes of this problem and propose viable solutions to alleviate the escalating traffic congestion. So this will be your introduction. After that, let us see what you can include in body paragraph 1. The primary causes of traffic congestion stem from multitude of factors. Firstly, rapid urbanization and population growth have resulted in an increased number of vehicles on the road. This surge in automobiles exacerbates the traffic volume, especially during peak hours. Additionally, inadequate public transportation systems and limited infrastructure fail to cater to the escalating demand, compelling more individuals to resort to private vehicles, further intensifying congestion. Consequently, this gridlock of traffic not only leads to frustrating delays and stress among commuters, but also has adverse economic implications, hindering productivity and impacting the environment due to increased emission. Now, in body paragraph 2, what you can include is one feasible solution to tackle this issue involves enhancing public transportation systems by investing in the expansion and improvement of bus and metro services. Individuals will be encouraged to opt for public transport, thereby reducing the number of vehicles on the road. Moreover, implementing measures such as dedicated bus lanes and providing incentives for public transport usage would make it more appealing choice. Additionally, promoting alternative transportation modes like cycling, walking through the establishment of cycling lanes and pedestrian friendly infrastructure could offer sustainable alternatives, especially for short distance travel, thereby reducing traffic congestion and improving air quality. Lastly, in the conclusion, you can say in conclusion, the burgeoning traffic congestion in urban centers is multifaceted issue driven by population growth, inadequate infrastructure, and reliance on private vehicles. Enhancing public transportation systems and promoting alternative modes of travel emerge as practical solutions to alleviate this problem. Efforts in these directions can only mitigate traffic congestion but also foster more sustainable and efficient urban mobility, benefiting both the populace and environment. So this sums up the topic. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. In order to receive more updates on this type of information, please share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.